Unlocking the secrets of cooking essentials. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a very flavorful phrase, cooking essentials. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about cooking, understanding this term will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also elevate your culinary skills. So, let's get started and explore what makes certain items in the kitchen so essential. Cooking essentials refer to the fundamental ingredients, tools, or equipment that are considered necessary for cooking basic to advanced dishes. These essentials vary widely depending on cultural backgrounds, dietary preferences, and personal tastes. However, there are some common items that are universally recognized as essential in most kitchens. This includes basic cooking tools like pots, pans, and utensils, as well as staple ingredients like salt, pepper, oil, and herbs. Understanding these essentials is the first step towards becoming proficient in cooking and kitchen management. In this section, we'll delve into the essential ingredients that every cook should have in their pantry. These are the building blocks of countless recipes, providing the flavors and textures that make dishes come to life. We're talking about salt and pepper, the most basic seasonings that enhance the flavor of almost any dish. Oil, used for cooking and dressing, with olive oil, vegetable oil, and coconut oil being among the most popular. Herbs and spices. These vary widely but often include basics like garlic, basil, oregano, and chili powder. Staple foods, such as rice, pasta, and flour, which serve as the foundation for many meals. No kitchen is complete without the essential tools that make cooking possible and enjoyable. Here, we'll cover the must-have kitchen gadgets and utensils. Knives. A sharp chef's knife and a paring knife are crucial for cutting and preparing ingredients. Cutting board. A sturdy surface for chopping and preparing ingredients. Pots and pans, including a frying pan, a saucepan, and a stock pot for various cooking methods. Measuring cups and spoons, for accurate ingredient measurements, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly. Beyond the basics, there are pieces of equipment that, while not strictly essential, greatly enhance the cooking experience. These include blender or food processor, for making sauces, soups, and smoothies. Mixing bowls, essential for combining ingredients. Oven, for baking and roasting, expanding the variety of dishes you can prepare. Understanding cooking essentials is like having the key to unlock the world of culinary arts. Whether you're preparing a simple meal for yourself or a lavish dinner for friends and family, knowing these basics can make the process smoother and more enjoyable. We hope this video has shed some light on the essentials of cooking and inspired you to explore more in the kitchen. Remember, cooking is not just about feeding the body but also about nourishing the soul. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.